Right, as you can see, the car is jacked up, and that can only mean one thing: underglow time. So let's get this cruddy old kit off. I will be running at the same place. I will be just sort of cracking on, get it done, and then once it's done, I'll do a little what's it called? Little bit of showing you of where to route it and stuff. But on these E46s, it's so easy because there's no suspension to get in the way. So currently it's on just under here, which I will be doing it same place just for now. But when I look to get some carbon side skirts, I'll have to move it further inboard. But the foam tape, I've just realised as well, I never actually specified what that was for. So basically, because I've got that giant rear diffuser on the back, I'm not sure where to route it, and it may be a case of that I just have to put it on the back of the diffuser or something, which obviously you will then see it. So then I'll have to put the seal foam stuff. That's a big ass bumblebee. Sorry. So yeah, that's what it'll be for. But as you can hear, it's a bit windy, so I'm just going to crack on.
what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling. Ooh.
Yeah, I wanna be a real one day. Heaven leaves me up from under. Wish that I could be somehow stronger now,
So I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me.
wish that I could be
Stronger,
so I can be a real one day.
so I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me.
Wish that I could be stronger, so I can be a real one day. Sweet goodbyes. I won't cry. I won't cry.
Right, a little bit of mid-build shit. So basically this back, the side of the back one, I've gone up here, I've followed the cables, then I've gone up through behind there and up through the arm. I have obviously left slack because it's an arm, then gone down and then gone underneath this bit of plastic, if I can get underneath, and then put it there. Then obviously the rear goes across there. The rear is going to be an absolute nightmare because of this massive diffuser that I've decided to have. So that's going to be fun. Obviously, I've still got the... I've wired up the front. Again, if I just get underneath. So, yeah, there's my under tray. So, obviously, I've put it there. You can see there's quite a bit of an overlap between them two. So, they are massively long, which is really, really good, actually. And I've ran it up there. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but if I go underneath, you can see I've run it up there. So with my finger, so up there, behind the crash bar, and then behind the headlight. And then if I just show you, it then comes up behind the headlight, up here, and then inside you can see again we have a lot of cables for the plugs, which is absolutely incredible. So let's crack on and get the other side done then. I've also got these magnetic plates. I don't think I've actually shown you, that really strong, and it's from a company called Carholics. You can see it in, whoops, get it in focus, see that, the C there. I'll put a link in the description, but it's really good, and I like it because like magnet plates are good, but you have to take the whole bumper off, put it underneath, whereas these actually just screw in to the OEM holes. You get all different sizes and it literally just clips on like that. You have these little blocks. Yeah, don't worry, my car is filthy. But you got little blocks, so when you're driving it keeps it nice and square. And I've got them on the rear as well. I do have some show plates as well. They actually sent me a spare kit. You can actually see it's actually like bending the plate. That's how strong these are. They are really, really good. And you can see it literally just screws into the OEM holes. They provide you spacers as well, which you can see there, and the white things, which just, again, just exactly what it says, just spaces it out, just gives it a nice clean look. I've got some show plates in there as well. These plates, I know they're filthy, but they're UMR plates as well from Instagram. Again, I'll throw them in with my 15% off code, but I cannot wait to drive this at night now. It's so good. Right, people, so it's now 5 o'clock and the ice cream man's coming round. It's taken me about 4.5 hours to do this just because I've had to rip off the old kit as well. But the hardest bit as well, to be fair, was actually routing the wires, because there's so, you actually get so many shit all over me. You actually get so much cable that it's actually really, it's good, but it's also bad because you have to try and hide it somewhere. So basically, if I turn this round, as you can see, it's now on. I have put the orange indicators on, but I think I might actually go back to clear. I've also worked out, I'll add a clip in a minute. I've worked out, well, actually I'll do it when it gets a bit darker because it's getting there, but it's not 100%. But you can see it looks so damn good. If I just close my, actually no, I won't close my door yet. So under here, you've got the box. You guys can actually scan that if you want. That's just the app. It is a third-party app. And then the switch is in here as well. So when I'm driving, I can literally just do that and kick it out of the way. I need to get a screwdriver out of there. The only thing that I am worried about, but I won't know until it's dark and whatever, is underneath you can see the rears. But worst case, I'll just put that stuff on. But yeah, it looks, obviously you won't get the full effect because it's still very sunny out here. Oh, my finger keeps getting in the frame. But I love the fact as well that you can actually see it on the back wheel coming through, which I think that's actually that's going to look really cool at night time. But yeah, if I stand back here, I think that looks really good. I definitely think I'm going to go back to clears on the front. It's worth a go. But okay, that's a low jet, very low jet. That's cool. Anyway, so yeah, that's the underglow kit. It looks so piss off with your private jet. That is so fucking cool. I'm so happy with this. Like I said, I've actually worked out so you can actually do it like 2 different colours. So this side you get on the app. I'll see if I can do like a screen record or something and throw it up. But you can see on the app, you can do, it says all channels, which does it all, or channel 1, which is that side, and then channel 2, which is this side, and you can actually do it individual. So like you can have purple and green for like Joker or something, or it's going to be really cool actually to see how that looks at night time. I'm also intrigued to see if it's only solid colours, because it'd be quite cool to have like the rainbow RGB side going at the side and say green that side or something. But we'll have to have a look. But yeah, it actually went on really well. In the wheel arches, you can see, if it will focus, you can focus there, you can see a little clip, which I've done there. I've done the same, then don't know if it'll show you under there, can't actually see. Obviously behind there, center caps, I've got some black ones that just go in, but I have got some carbon ones coming, which are the same as these, so it'll actually fit. So obviously I've got that one front, rear, and on the steering wheel, which obviously is that one, the carbon one. So yeah, I'm so happy with how this actually looks. Definitely worth it. The wheels look incredible, and the fact you can actually see the underglow on the rim is actually a sick little feature there. So, but yeah, I'll turn this around. So yeah, I'm a bit fucked. Definitely going to feel it with my fibro tomorrow. But it's what we do for cars, isn't it? So yeah, hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.